Welcome to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E. And we are doing, right now, we're going to do a Dutch pour experiment using mix, watered down mix. I want to use blue and yellow together and not make green. So that is the experiment of this. I found a picture in Pinterest the other day. It was really pretty, and it had a couple shades of blue along with a grayish silverish gray and 2 tones of yellow. And I thought, oh my god, those colors are so beautiful together. But we all learn one of the first things in grade school is blue and yellow make green, and I don't want green in this. So this is our experiment, and this is the first step. I'm going to lay down my dark blue coat that I just mixed custom, and so we're just gonna lay down a bit of a base coat and see how this dries. And I'm just going to touch up my sides, and next time I see you, this should be dry and we should be ready for our next step. See you in a sec. Hello, we are back, and our canvas is dry. It's really nice. I did not tell you what the size of this canvas was before. This is a Mark & Arts stretch canvas. It is an 8 by 24 and it is 1.5 inches deep. So yeah, 8 by 24. And this is day 2 of our experiment, so we have to wait for the base to dry. And like I said, what I want to do is I want the blue, the yellow, the silver in a Dutch pour, but I don't want the blue and the yellow to mix to green. So this is what we're going to try. I have got plain mix pouring medium, this stuff, and I have thinned it down. So there are 5 parts of mix and 4 parts of water, approximately. And I've done the same with my paints. This was our base coat that we had put on. Still have some extra left for touch-ups. This is our silver. That is Sergeant Art, liquid metal, acrylic paint, silver. This yellow, because we have 2 shades, we have this yellow, which is deep yellow from Artist Loft, mixed with a little bit of titanium white from Amsterdam. And then we have this one, which is the yellow ochre. So when we do this, it's going to have to be quick because my paint's set up quick here in Arizona. So that's good. Now, alright, so we want our paint to move across our canvas. So that's why I've got this. And I'm going to put some down and move it, and then we're going to move quickly with our color. Okay, here we go. That should be plenty. And there's no paint at all in this. This is just the mix and water. Ooh, that's splash. there went my paper towel. Okay, now, let's see. Let's go with a lighter yellow. Then, silver. Bit of a flood. Just like you would in your base coat. Should be interesting. This is going to be really interesting. Really cool. Thing is, I'm really not going to know the exact pattern and design and how it looks against that blue until all this mixed pouring medium dries clear. So all I can do is kind of, excuse me, is kind of imagine what it'll look like on top of that blue. And it looks like my silver got completely lost. But it might be sitting under here under one of the transparent layers. I don't know. That's what's so cool about this. And I think I'm gonna leave it right there, because this is kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm leaving it right there. And hopefully some of the yellow didn't become too transparent to where the blue underneath it is going to end up reflecting that green. So I don't know. I don't know. Hold on one second. Okay. What I do know is I don't want these run lines from the mix running down the sides. So I'm going to try and brush it and fill it in to hopefully make it look decent. It's already setting up. I knew this was going to have to be quick. Okay. Ooh. This kind of chunk. Edges to look decent. And I will go ahead and fast forward you through this part. Okay, I will see you when it's dry. And we'll see what we got. Okay guys, here's the dry results. And it's pretty, and the experiment worked great. There's really no green at all, and there's some, whoops, my bad. There's some really pretty elements here. The sides came out really nice too. The sides. But yeah, the composition, I'm not sure if I like it or not yet. You can see where the silver kinda showed up. I don't know if I can catch it. You can see the silver spots in through here. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm not sure about the composition. I'm thinking I might want to go over and try and put some yellow and blow it out over the top of it and stuff, and see what else I can do. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Should I leave it as is? Do you like it like this? Should I try and lay some of the yellows and silvers back over it and try and blow it out some more again, but this time without laying down a mixed base coat, just the plain paint with the pouring medium and blow it out. I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, guys. And those are our dried results. Till next time, stay safe. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!